Hi friends, today we will show you the unboxing of Astronaut Nebula projector. This is very good as a projector to display light on the wall. We will show you shortly how. Let's first open this box. This is the product booklet. This comes with a remote. Oh, this looks very nice. Let's open this. Wow, this looks very cute. So friends, this is the magnetic cover lid, and you can move it in any direction that you want to change the direction of the lights, like this. You can change it in any direction because this is magnetic, so this automatically holds it through. So from the back you can see this is the power cord and these are the control buttons. In this case we will be controlling it from the remote, but just so you know, this is the power button and these are the changing the modes button, but most of the time we will do it via the remote. And apart from this, this is the power cable which comes with a USB end that we can show you how to connect to make this work. This comes with this stick-on option, so you can just remove the label and paste it on the astronaut projector like this or at the bottom and stick it to a surface like a wall or a table so that it doesn't move. Now we will show you how to plug this in. So this is the main power source. You have to plug it in, as you can see here. This is now connected, and then the other end you have to put in a USB slot. Let's connect this and see how it projects on a wall. We have now connected the astronaut projector to the USB source, and we will now show you how this works. So this is the remote control, and you have to turn on the power on button, which is just the top left button. Okay, the projector is on now. Let's turn off the room light to see how it works. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh, it changes the modes. That's really nice. You can turn on the brightness of the stars, change them to brighter or slow. So we showed you how to turn on the power with the power on off button, and the center of the circle, which is the light, is the nebula. So you can change the mode of the nebula through this button, and then you can increase the brightness of the projection through this button B plus, or reduce it through this. Then you can increase the brightness of the stars through this button. You can change the nebula mode through this nebula button. As you can see on the wall, this is how it changes the color. This increases or decreases the brightness of the nebula, as you can see. And the dots, you can see, makes it more visible through the button on the right, LA plus, and by LA minus you can again change the mode of the dots. You can make them fainter. So friends, as you can see, this looks very beautiful in the night when you have turned off all the lights and you have put in the astronaut nebula projector. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about the setup of this projector, please put it in the comment section and we'll reply. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.